In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Visa to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to make sure your card shows up properly in your account. Before we jump in, a quick note. Keep your phone connected to a reliable internet connection and make sure your GCash app is up to date so the right buttons and screens appear as expected. Let's get started. Open the GCash app on your phone and wait for the home screen to load. If you're asked to sign in, do that the way you normally do. From the home screen, go to your profile. This is the section that manages your account settings and connected services. Inside your profile, look for My Linked Accounts. This area shows everything you've connected to GCash. Tap that and then choose GCash card. This is where the app groups everything related to the physical GCash card, including linking and ordering. If you haven't ordered a card yet, you'll see the option to place an order. Go ahead and order the card first. The app will guide you through the checkout and delivery details right on screen. Once your order is done and you have your card ready, come back to this same GCash card section to continue. Now, when you're in GCash card with your card ready, tap Link My Card. From here, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. The app will walk you through the process step by step. You may be asked to confirm your account details and verify with a one-time code. Enter any requested information only inside the app and never share codes with anyone. If you're prompted to set or confirm a PIN for your card, choose something secure and avoid obvious numbers. When the linking is successful, you'll see a confirmation message and your card will appear under My Linked Accounts. That's your visual cue that everything worked. You can return to the home screen and continue using GCash as usual. If you don't see the GCash card option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If My Card doesn't show up, confirm that your card order is complete and that you're in the correct GCash card section. If you run into an error, a quick app restart or a stronger internet connection usually helps. And if you still need assistance, check the help section in the app for support. That's it. You've learned how to link your Visa to GCash smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and take care.